These are the left and right hand side windshield wipers on my 19-year-old car. Over the life of the car, I have changed the rubber wiper blades 2 times. The last time after I changed the rubber wiper blades, I noticed that it still wasn't cleaning the windshield properly when it rains, and I was nearly gonna buy new rubber blades to replace, but I decided to check whether the metal assembly itself was in good working condition. This being an old car, it has a metal frame assembly. If the assembly is not in good working condition, then my replacing with the new rubber blade would not solve the problem. Join me in this video as I explain how I check the blade assembly to see if it's in good working condition. In the case of this blade, it was not in good working condition, and so I bought these 2 new wiper assembly blades to replace them. These are the 2 wiper assemblies removed from my car. The longer assembly is on the driver's side, and in the case of my car, it is 550 millimeters long. On the passenger side, it is shorter and it is 475 millimeters long. These are the old style wiper assemblies made of metal frame with support arms and a detachable rubber blade that can be replaced if the rubber blade is faulty. In the case of my car, which is 19 years old, this is the original wiper assembly, so it's 19 years old, but I have replaced the rubber blade 2 times. The last time after I replaced the rubber blade, I found that the wiper was still leaving marks on the windshield. So before I went out to buy a new rubber blade, I thought I would check if the assembly itself is in good working condition. The areas for wear and tear are the pins here, there, and there. And also the U-shaped arms. Over time, movement, wear and tear, the gaps will get wider. And when that happens, the arm will wobble. So a good simple test to see if the assembly is still in good working condition is to hold it at the center and give it a wobble. If it vibrates and rattles, then that is not good. What I did was I went to a car accessory shop. I opened up a box of a new wiper assembly made of the same style metal frame, and I took it and I wobbled it. And it did not rattle because the pins and the gaps were tight. Whereas this rattles. I'm not sure whether you can hear the rattle sound in the video. It should not rattle. There are many different types of connectors on the wiper assemblies to connect a wiper assembly to the car wiper arm. In the case of my old car, it has what's called a J-hook connector. There's a toggle here that allows the J-hook to slide in, and the toggle will catch the J-hook slot. So I have to look for a new wiper assembly with the same J-hook connector and the same J-hook size. So I decided to try these Flexblade wiper assemblies made by Tridon. This product here, TFB19H, is 475 millimeters long. That's 19 inch. The H stands for the J-hook connector. This one here is the TFB22H. It is 550 millimeters long, 22 inches. The wiper assembly comes protected in a paper packaging. This is the 19-inch wiper assembly. It does not have a metal frame. Instead, it has a single plastic frame. But it still has a J-hook connector, so it should fit my car's wiper arm. This other package contains a longer 22-inch wiper assembly. I thought I would try this newer style wiper assembly instead of the older style wiper assembly. 2 reasons. The older style wiper assembly has many moving parts. And because there are many moving parts, each moving part here, there, becomes prone to wear and tear, including the catches that hold the removable rubber wiper blades. In this Flexblade, there are no moving parts. There's a single plastic backbone which is flexible. but there is no moving part. In my view, the less moving parts, the less likely wear and tear can occur. I put these two old style wiper assemblies on a weighing scale. The metal wiper assembly weighs 164 grams, whereas the new style wiper assembly weighs 86 grams. So this new model is about half the weight of that. For the shorter wiper assembly, this metal assembly weighs 118 grams and the newer style assembly weighs 76 grams. So the advantage of the newer style plastic assembly is that it weighs less, and in my view, weighing less puts less stress on the wiper arm and the motor and should make the wiping action easier. A disadvantage of the new style wiper blade though is that the rubber blade is not replaceable. So over time, when the rubber blade is worn, the entire assembly will need to be replaced. But having said that, the price of these new wiper blades is not much more expensive than the old style metal wiper assemblies. This is my 19-year-old car. I've put a bed sheet over the bonnet so that I don't scratch it, but also to reduce glare from the bright sun. I've also put thick cloth over where the pivot arm falls onto the glass. The reason I do that is after I remove the wiper assembly, if the spring-loaded arm accidentally swings back onto the windshield, then it can crack the windshield. So this is to protect the windshield. I've done the same thing with the passenger side with the blue rack for that passenger side wiper assembly. To remove the driver's side wiper assembly, rotate this wiper assembly down. It exposes a black plastic tab. Push the black plastic down and push inwards and it slides out. There is the J hook. It has a rectangular slot hole in there, and that rectangular slot hole is caught by the little lump in that black plastic tab. So to refit it, I will go in like this and slide it in backwards. This is the replacement 22-inch wiper assembly, and the J hook connector is here. Angle it, slide the hook in, make sure it catches tightly, push it out to see if it catches. This little tab is to release it. If I press in, I should be able to release it. So fit it back in. There's a click sound when it catches. That's it. That's secure now. Now to do the passenger side wiper assembly. I'm now at the passenger side wiper assembly. To remove the old assembly, turn it down, and again there's a black plastic tab here. Push on it and push inwards and it slips out. That's the J hook again, and this is the J hook connector on the wiper assembly. This is the new replacement 19-inch wiper assembly. Again, that's the hook connector. Orient it so the tab is at the bottom. Slide it into the J hook. There you go, that's clicked in. This J hook connector on the new wiper assembly is not as secure as the old one because it doesn't have a little notch that slides into the rectangular slot hole on the wiper arm. It just uses friction, so that is not as secure, but because this is light, that may help. In any case, this is as far in as it will go. That's it. This is assembled. Well, over the next few days and weeks, I shall be testing this to see if it's any good. My test shows that the new wipers do a very good job of getting water out of the windshield. I hope you found this video useful and interesting, especially the part about how to inspect and check the old metal wiper assembly. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more and help the channel grow. Thank you so much.